304, you're able to have live TV with the Dish Network, and you're going to see this is the remote for the Dish Network, and you're able to standard, you hit the guide button, it's going to give you all the different channels you'll be able to access. But if you want to watch Netflix, we have the Apple TV, and what you have to do, you have to grab the TV remote. You're going to want to switch to the source to go ahead and give it the, let's get set it up here. Oh, there we go. So you select it, and you're going to want to select from HDMI 1. Oh, let's go back. There we go. We're going to go to HDMI 2. And HDMI 2 is going to open up the Apple TV connection, which here's your remote. And this is where you're going to be able to access Netflix. You'll be able to access any one of these particular apps. So here you're accessing Netflix. If you have Hulu, you want to get the news, CNN, YouTube. And if there's anything that you want to log in with your own personal account, of course you can do that. Okay? So when you're in unit 304 and you want to change the temperature, you're going to be able to do that over here. And you're going to see it's right where the bedroom is, and you've got your living room set up. That's where you'll be able to come in here. You'll want to make sure this is the right now we've got it set up at 70. I went ahead and raised it to 74. It was very cold, and of course you want to turn off the system, you just turn it on off. If you just want the fan circulating, you can circulate the fan, but this is where you're going to regulate the central AC in this particular unit.